The Earth is a greenhouse. Sunlight comes down from the sun and warms the planet. Surface heat goes back to the space. Earth is a vast network of innumerable factors that all work to give us the exact balance of chemicals and energy to breathe, eat, and drink. There is a constant, complicated cycle to provide each living thing with enough heat and energy to survive. An important component of this cycle is the CO2 distribution. This is an emission and absorption of greenhouse gases by the land in the ocean and now by the burning of fossil fuels. Climate scientists all over the world believe that imbalance is causing a global warming, where the global temperature is on increase. Global warming is the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, surface, and oceans. It is permanently changing the Earth's climate. Temperatures over the whole planet have risen about 0.8 degrees Celsius the last 100 years. More than half of this increase has happened in the last 25 years. This is potentially causes numerous problems when global temperature rise to a level that is affecting the Antarctic ice caps. This creates escalated melting and causes sea level rise. The sea level bounces up and down slightly from year to year. This is result of a range of factors including the melting of the Antarctic ice. The melting rate has been speeding up significantly in recent years. This loss could add on additional warming above and beyond the essential warning from CO2. The rapid rise in greenhouse gases is a problem because this is changing the climate faster than some living things may be able to adapt. Also, a new and more unpredictable climate poses unique challenges to all life. The greenhouse effect is the warming that happens when certain gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat. These gases let in the light but keep heat from escaping like the glass walls of a greenhouse. Scientists often use the term climate change instead of global warming. This is because as the Earth's average temperature climbs, winds and ocean currents move heat around the globe in ways that can cool some areas, warm others, and change the amount of rain and snow falling. Humans have increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. Changes this large have historically taken hundreds of years, but are now happening over the course of a decade. The evidence that humans are causing global warming is strong, but the question of what to do about it remains controversial. But what we do from today forward makes a big difference. Depending on our choices, scientists predict that our Earth could eventually warm by as little as 2.5 degrees. Many people and governments are already working hard to cut greenhouse gases and everyone can help. Fortunately, we have been making steps in the right direction and bringing awareness to this issue and providing information to the general public on the ways that we can conserve and promote it. Renewable energy is energy that is generated from natural processes that are continuously replenished. This includes sunlight, wind, water, and various forms of biomass. Renewable energy, the goal is to ultimately increase the demand for cleaner energy and resulting in more options being put on the market. Solar power is energy from the sun that is converted into electrical energy. Solar energy is the cleanest and most abundant renewable energy source available, and the US has some of the richest solar resources in the world. Solar technologies can harness this energy for a variety of uses, including generating electricity, providing light or a comfortable interior environment, and heating water for domestic, commercial, or industrial use. Wind energy refers to the process of creating electricity using the wind that occurs naturally in the Earth's atmosphere. Modern wind turbines are used to capture kinetic energy from the wind and generate electricity. When the wind blows past a wind turbine, its blades capture the wind's kinetic energy and rotate, turning it into mechanical energy that spins a generator that produces electricity. Hydropower technology generated power by using a dam or diversion structure to alter the natural flow of a river or the body of the river. Hydropower uses turbines and generators to convert this motion into electricity. Global warming is happening right now, and this is a serious problem for our future generation. By taking responsibilities, we all should realize this issue, and then we will avoid the consequences of tomorrow.